Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Extrude. Extrude is simply used to convert any 2D closed, any closed 2D shape to be a 3D shape. So simply to use Extrude, firstly we need to draw a simple 2D shape. So to draw a 2D shape, we go to the create, then shape, and then from shape we should choose our shape. We can start by doing circle, donut, start. I will start by a simple line. So click on line. From the top view, activate top view by right click and then Alt W to maximize the top view, and I will start my own shape by click, then click, and if I go to the first vertex and click again, the Max will ask me would I want to close the spline. I will say yes. So this spline should be is now closed. So right click again to deactivate line, and now we got a simple 2D shape with the closed vertices. What I mean by close is that this line is connected with this line, and it's the same for all the joints. So Alt W again. From the perspective view, we can see this is our 2D shape. So to make it a 3D shape, or to fill it to be a 3D shape, we should go to the first select our 2D shape, then from modify, which is beside the create, this is our line. There is a drop down menu, it's called modifier list. So from modifier list we should go and look for Extrude. We can simply hit E, and the Max will automatically search for each function of this of the material. So we will hit on Extrude, and voila, what we got is it's filled. And the main properties of Extrude is the amount. The amount is how thickness we want to make this 3D shape. So it's very simple. I will do it with different shape. Now I will choose from the already from the shape menu. So I will start by circle. This is the circle, and I will choose another one, which is, let's say, donut. So this is donut. Okay, so LW. So we have two different shapes. So I will choose each one of them. So I will start with the circle, modify, hit E, and then E, and we got the Extrude. And if you see, the Max will keep the thickness from the previous use of Extrude. And for the last one, donut, the same thing. From the modifier list, E, and then Extrude. And if you can see, the last shape was, I will reduce the amount of the thickness. If you can see from the last shape, the Extrude will fill only the between two shapes. If you can see, this shape, we have only one shape, but this shape has outer border and inner border. So the Extrude will fill this space, okay, because this is what between two shapes, okay. But for the other two shapes, this shape, the circle, let's say, we have only one shape, so it will fill the inside of the shape of the circle, while in the donut it will fill, the Extrude will fill the space between the two circles, or the two border. Okay, so this is all about the Extrude. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and see you soon. Thank you.